harmonicas. All right. Suck, both of you do. Try it. Come on, Harp! Yes, do it! They beat me from this prison and that railroad car was mine. You know I rode that car a little farther down the line. So fucking open, that's where I long to stand. On that lonesome whistle, oh my blue soul. Get it now! Go get it! FOOKS, everybody. Come on now, they're working hard for you. Let's hear for Uncle Gus and Mike on the harmonicas.